In this video, I'll guide you through how to set Google Calendar as your default calendar when you're creating or editing an event. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so that your events go to the calendar you want every single time. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to calendar.google.com. You can type that directly into the address bar and hit enter. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be asked to log in before you see your calendar. Once everything loads, you should see your main calendar view with days, weeks, or months, depending on your current setting, and your events laid out in front of you. Next, find an existing event on your calendar that you want to adjust. Click on that event once. This will open a small pop-up window showing the event details, such as the title, time, and maybe the location or guests if you've added them before. This pop-up is like a quick preview, but we want to open the full editor so we can change which calendar it belongs to. Inside that event pop-up, look for the pencil icon. This icon represents edit. Click on the pencil icon to open the full event editing page. You'll know you're in the right place if you see all the detailed fields for the event, the title at the top, the date and time options, and more settings like location, notifications, and description. On this editing page, there is an option that shows which calendar this event is currently assigned to. Depending on your screen size, you'll usually find it near the top, underneath the event title, labeled simply as calendar. It might show a colored square next to the calendar name because each calendar has its own color to help you visually organize your schedule. Click on that calendar field. When you do, a drop-down list will appear showing all the calendars that are available in your account. This can include personal calendars, shared calendars, or calendars that have been added for specific projects or teams. Take a moment to look through the list so you recognize what's already there. From this list, select the Google Calendar you want to treat as your default for this event. If you only use one main Google Calendar, it will likely be the one with your primary email address in the name. Click on that calendar so it's highlighted and appears in the calendar field. This tells Google Calendar that this event should belong to that specific calendar. Once you've selected the right calendar, the final step is to save your changes. Look toward the top or bottom of the page for the Save button and click it. After you click Save, you'll be taken back to your main calendar view, and this event will now live on the Google Calendar you selected. Going forward, when you create new events, Google Calendar often remembers your last used calendar, so making this change helps guide future events to the right place. If you ever notice an event showing up on the wrong calendar, you can repeat these same steps to move it. That's all you need to set your Google Calendar as the one your events use by default.